One really useful feature of Pathotrainer is live mode. In live mode, everyone in a training session will be brought to the same case for the supervisor to demonstrate the concept or collaboratively view and annotate slides together with the users. As a trainee, you will know that live mode has been activated because if you are viewing a different case to the supervisor, you will be brought to that case and the red live icon will appear in the case menu on the right of the screen. The supervisor may also turn on user takeover, which activates a blue icon saying you are in control. When this is active, you will be able to collaboratively interact with the slides together with the supervisor and everyone else in the session. You can navigate the part of the slide everyone is looking at, draw your own annotations, and open new slides or cases for everyone to look at together. You can also make your own text annotations to ask questions or define regions of interest. Other users' cursors will also be visible to you with their names displayed underneath.